Raiders, happy Tuesday. Let's take a look at the weather map. We have a very active pattern setting up. You'll see the rain that's coming in this morning as part of this low pressure system off the coast. You'll also see the next system waiting in line over the Ohio Valley and upper Midwest. That will be moving through later on this week, and off towards the west is the next storm coming in for the end of the week. So we'll have a very active weather pattern this week, and the trade-off for that will be some slightly warmer and above average temperatures. I'll have more on that in the 5-day forecast. But first, let's talk quickly about meteorological spring. Meteorological spring began on March 1st. Meteorological seasons are based on the average temperatures, so meteorological spring runs from March 1st through May 31st, and so the first day of meteorological summer would be on June 1st. The difference is that we typically pay attention to astronomical spring, which will begin this year on actually March 19th, although most of the world will be celebrating that on the 20th. It depends on the time zones, and that has to do when the sun is directly overhead at the equator. And so that will be very late on the 19th for us in the Eastern time zone. Something else to just bring to your attention in case I forget to mention it in the 5-day forecast, this weekend we spring the clocks ahead. That helps us to stay more aligned with the patterns of the sun. And we've talked about getting rid of changing the clock so that we'd stay springing ahead in the future and not falling back in the fall. The problem with that though is that sunrise wouldn't be until after 8 a.m. during the winter time, and that's just too dark for a lot of us that commute in the morning. All right, let's take a look at your 5-day forecast and see just how much rain is on the way. For your Tuesday, again, look for rain throughout the day today. We're looking at probably about a ½ inch of rain or so. Your highs will be in the mid to upper 40s. For Wednesday, cloudy, rain, especially in the afternoon. It looks like mostly moving in around 1 p.m. and after that. The highs will be in the mid to upper 50s. For Thursday, look for some lingering rain, especially in the morning. May see a little bit of a pickup in the breeze there. Highs will be in the mid 40s, but notice that the overnight lows stay in the 40s. We don't see much change in the temperature because when we have that cloud cover in place, it keeps the daytime temperatures lower and the nighttime temperatures higher. For Friday, we may actually see some peaks of sunshine. Highs will be in the low 50s. And for Saturday, we're looking for that last system from the west to move through. Highs look to be in the mid 40s. And if you're planning on running the Shamrock Run in Kingston on Sunday, there is a chance of rain at this point. That forecast does have rain consistently in for the weekend, but the timing of that, whether it's coming in Saturday, coming in Sunday, the timing is varying quite a bit. So a lot could happen between now and then. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you again here next week.